Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Notification Center. Then just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to disable notifications, like Play Store. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!